We're gonna set up my bed now. First step, my mom's gonna read the instructions on my bed.
I'm making sure it's comfy.
I could show you how to defeat the
We are gonna start building the
Slatoon. This is my way out.
Yeah.
That's how we should have started, by giving people a tour of Kyla's room. Right over here, guys. The room is not as big, you know. Let's start from there. So that's the kind of challenge that we have. And I'm gonna give you,
Kool has a bigger room.
I'm gonna give you a better perspective. I'm by the door, and you know, you can see Karen over there. So it's a decent sized room. So here was the challenge. The challenge was, we already got this piece of furniture, and Kyla had other type of furniture and other type of furniture, and then all of a sudden she's like, nah, I don't like it, blah 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 blah. Like I told you in the last video on IKEA, she wanna make some changes because she's a preteen, almost a teenager.
You don't have to say it like that either.
So
make some changes because she's like,
it's alright. So with that said, by the way, the colors of the walls over here before they were what color was it?
brown.
Brown, all brown.
The whole house.
house.
Color of the house.
Exactly.
All brown.
and
And
then
two shades of brown.
yeah,
So-
a light brown, and then a little darker.
So
brown.
then all of a sudden, Karen goes like, what do you want to do, Kyla? And Kyla came up with this idea of doing different pattern. And guess who did that pattern?
Mama.
That was that one over there.
With Kyla's help.
So
Yeah.
Kyla,
So we both got here and we put the tape together and we came up with the
pattern.
pattern.
This took like 3 days because every time I did it, I didn't like it.
She would not like it.
Exactly. So yeah. So that's how the pattern became with the color. Yeah, and the colors are a lot more, you know, modern. I like that the color that she chose.
I like the blue pecan though.
And now you understand why the bed that she chose is silver, because it will match completely with this room. And of course we gotta give it a little bit of more contrast, you know, when it comes to the bedding set and all that, but we get to that later on. So, oh, there's Lexi, for those who haven't met
Who
Lexi.
sleeps in this room as well?
And Lexi sleeps in this room as well. So, from the last video when we made it to IKEA and coming back over here, then here's the bed set at this point. So now it's Karen's turn to try to put it together.
Mom puts everything in this house together.
Pretty much, yes.
It's my like stress reliever. Like I like to
Because
do
if
things.
us three did it, it would not be.
It would fall down.
It would
Yeah.
fall down. And not
So with that said, this is the part of the video that I walk out of here, because when it comes to assembling stuff, I'm not good.
And it's where I say,
Simply is because I don't have the patience for it. So I'd rather let her release her stress, since that she has more patience. And I go and do what I do best, which is watch YouTube
Get out of my way.
and get out of her way.
geez.
So I'm
How
gonna
nice.
I'm gonna go ahead and watch some YouTube
Well, I
from
take
other
over
bloggers.
this
We
guy.
take this stuff.
Exactly. So while they start working, and if you're brand new here, I want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button.
exactly. And you've been with us all this time. We want to say thank you for all the love and support. If you're brand new here, Kyla, one more time. Kyla.
Subscribe.
And smash that like button.
And you may ask why, people, this is your family content channel here from Central Florida, the one that takes you all over theme park, local attraction, special event, and even sharing family lifestyle vlogs like this one. So I don't know what you're waiting on. It's 2021. Give your chance an opportunity to just get to know another family, and do it right now. Hit subscribe right now
Subscribe.
and watch this one.
Jeez,
And
that's
all
not-
of them have fun vlogging.
I'm gonna stay here on her bed.
Now, and this is the time that he will stay annoying them. And I'm gone. See ya, deuces.
So mom is going to be putting out the pieces while Lexi's helping her.
Let's say it's trying to find her comfortable spot.
As usual. First step, and we're already running into a problem. This is our first step. They're all the same things.
That's good.
Okay, 20 minutes later, and we already have one of whatever this is. Mom's still in the first flipboard. This is why I'm not good at this. Mom's still on the first page though, and they have 16 pages. And now the frame is up. It's not Mom, it's a frame. Now Mom's on what page, Mom?
Page 9.
And still 15.
Why?
Sorry.
We're getting there.
It does look like a bed frame though.
Oh, that's good.
Mom got the side panels up, and she's on the 13th page, so she has 2 more pages left, and this will be over. Mom,
I'm almost there. I'm almost done. I have the headboard, the footboard, and the sideboards up. I have the side frame, and now I'm working on just a couple screws. And this is how my helper is helping me. Can you tell that she's working hard? This is usually how it works. She starts and she ends like that with her little helper too.
So I just came in to check on these two to see if there was any progress other than a mess, and I cannot open the door. This is where we at so far.
Did a lot of work.
Oh, here we go, guys. Who did the majority of the work?
it was me. Mom did it later.
I'm sure it was Mom, but hey,
Thank you, Mom, for making that.
the bed is all put together.
Woo! It didn't take that long.
Thanks
either.
to Karen. One thing that we did realize. Now, I'm going to say it like this. We realized this mistake in the store, but Karen and I decided to still move forward with it. As we were about to head and pay for everything that we got in IKEA, we realized that it was a queen size, not a full size. And it was because the one on the floor, it looked kind of small. The mattress looked kind of small, not like a queen size bed. So I was like, oh, whatever, heck it, let's go. I like it. Out of everything that we've seen already, Kyla like it, I like it. So I was very scared though.
It took 1.5.
1.5 hours
That's
to
not bad.
put together. But I just want to show this to you. I mean, Kyla mattress is a full. The bed frame is for a queen, but it still doesn't look as bad. You know,
There's like a little gap here.
you still have a gap.
And then the gap over here.
Whatever. We gotta buy one of those. What is it? Comforter
Yeah.
thing.
And we saw one of those actually.
So that's gonna fill out the gap more. You know, still safe for her to sleep. I mean,
She's off the floor.
she's not on the carpet. Well, she never was on the carpet. The mattress is no longer on the carpet. I was concerned about the space over here until Karen mentioned to me that we still had that much room still to
I'm
move
working
forward.
on this too.
I'm gonna
change this a bit for her.
Yeah, we're still organizing, guys, as we speak. You saw when we bought the bookshelves that's gonna be the next project to build because of her Harry Potter books over there. And look at Kyla's mini ears all over there, so she has to fix that too. But still, look how much space she has over there. So
Because it's already as it is.
at the end of the day, she'll be able to walk through there. We'll still have spot. Now the bookshelf will probably, where are we gonna put the bookshelf? Maybe there.
I was thinking there. We gotta build it up and put it here, because that'll give her more space to open the door.
Yeah, and she
She wants a full mirror, so I think the mirror can go over here.
and she still have all these
Plenty of space.
plenty of space.
Comfortable spot.
So there you go. That's a little update on the bed frame backlash, IKEA crazy journey that we had to take.
This is fun. Look, the Allen key for, I don't know if IKEA always does this or not, but they bring this little thing that you put on and it makes it more like a screwdriver.
Oh, that's
pretty cool.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah,
I like
it
that.
helped.
Okay, so now we're gonna be building. Sorry. Okay, so now we're gonna be building the bookcase.
Exhibit A. And there's 10 pieces to this bookcase. So the 2 sides of it, and then over there we have the back panel and all the little shelves. It doesn't look super complicated, and there's like 7 steps, so it shouldn't take that long. it. Should we time it? We should time it.
Yes, time it.
Alright, let's time this.
So now this is step 3, making it. How is it, Mom?
So far it's been super simple. I'm trying not to jinx myself, but pretty much there's three of these
Pieces?
Sure. There's 3 of these pieces. These have holes on them where these don't. So we have to make sure that we put the ones with the little holes are the first ones that go, because those are kind of like what's gonna hold it together. So we put these little things in there. Very simple, not complicated at all. And if I can do it, anybody can do it pretty much. So then we do that, and then we're gonna put the other piece, and we kind of have like the box of it done. All right, guys. So I think like almost 7 minutes in, 8 minutes in. As you can see, I have kind of like the box shape already made. One other step that I want to show you, they do come with screws, and we just got to put it in these little holes, and obviously that's to hold it together. So it's not super hard. So just it gets a little harder as you get closer in, but that's pretty much it. And we're almost done.
No.
Alright, so we're to the back panel now, and it's a little skinny thing, so it comes folded like in 3. So you just have to unfold it and put it in the back. It does line up really well to this, and I drew this line. I used one of these to kind of line it up to know where the actual board is, so I can. Apparently, I have 2 little bags of nails that now I have to hammer. Okay, and what felt like forever, I am done putting it in.
They're so small.
I put 1,001 nails. I'm sure it was less than that, but that's how it felt. I'm sure if you have a nail gun, it'll be a lot quicker in this portion.
Yes.
But they're done. What are we missing?
The shelving.
And we're gonna come, and obviously they have their little holes that they go into. So these are really simple. You put it here, you put it there. It does wobble.
Balls.
So it does come with these, and these are supposed to be wall mounts. So obviously you can put it in the wall, especially if it's going on the kids' room. That way, if they like stand on it or like grab the shelf, it won't fall on them.
And Lexi's working super hard, as you can tell. She's sweating.
She's the hardest worker.
Her tongue is out. She's working so hard right now.
All right, guys. Well, 35 minutes later, 35. I did have to go get the hammer and a pencil, so that took part into my time.
Maybe like 2 minutes.
Might have been more, but so there it is. After about 35 minutes. The bookshelf's in. Now we just have to wait to see if that's where she wants it or what she's gonna do with it. And
Alright, you guys done making noises over there?
I am officially done with the bookcase.
Are you?
And the bed.
Am I gonna be surprised?
Of course.
Yeah, okay. Well, anyways, it is built. So anyway, we're here to give you an update on the room of this little girl over here. So last time, since then, we got Kyla these covers. So also color gray, and she's loving it. And this is the famous bookshelf that Karen just put together. And this actually looks good though.
I like how you say actually.
Actually, that looks good.
Are you
No.
after the wall that I painted?
No, I'm not doubting after all the wall that you painted, but I kind of wasn't sure what Kyla wanted to do over here.
You didn't see her vision.
I didn't see her vision, and it looks kind of cool though. I like it. Not kind of cool. It does look good. Look at that. Right, so I do enjoy everything Kyla did over here. Look. Kyla is a fan of Stranger Things, so those are her pop figures. She's a huge fan of Harry Potter, and there's the books. She's also a Star Wars kind of fan too. And
Dart's a fan of
anyhow, Darts is a fan of destroying the room. Yeah, but some of you actually commented not too long ago that you would like to see our doggies again. So here's the pack. So yeah, literally. So here's Bailey. She's a Vizsla lap mix. Bailey, yeah, there she is. And this is Dart, the biggest baby that we have over here.
My best friend.
And that is Cody.
Our oldest.
Cody is our oldest. Cody is 16 years old. Miniature schnauzer. And we have
Lexi. You saw Lexi earlier.
and of course that's Lexi. So anyway, this is our pack, but just to refocus over here, Kyla's room is almost completed. And what I mean by almost completed is because Karen and Kyla are currently in the process of repainting this dresser, right?
Yes.
And they're changing it to white, right? Is it white?
White.
Yeah, so they're changing it to white, and I think that will be the final step, right, Kyla?
Well, we are gonna most likely get rid of that mirror and put something else in there. We're trying to switch it a little bit, obviously, to make it more teenager, more modern, more of the look that's going on right
Please
now.
tell me that's not gonna cost me another trip to
IKEA?
IKEA.
Well, the mirror isn't, but I can always find reasons to go to IKEA.
Yeah, me too.
You know, we do have multiple rooms in the house. We still have to do Kyla's room.
That's a project.
I don't know. This is gonna be a crazy, another crazy adventure. But anyway, we do have the same bookshelf in our office, but our office is a complete disaster right now because we are rearranging it. So we'll show you on another day, Dan. So Kyla, so far, are you happy?
Yes.
You better say you're happy.
Yeah.
I put a lot of work in this room.
Exactly. So, anywho, the only thing left now, guys, we hope you enjoyed this adventure. Sadly, this adventure has ended, and with that said, we want to remind everybody
to subscribe.
Smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that bell for notification.
Wait, feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out.
Be cool.
Hold on. Smile out. Be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Now you get to do your own boom. See ya. Bye. Boom. Well, Kyla wasn't here. Kyla was in his room playing Fortnite, by the way, so mom had to step in.
He's very busy.
Yeah, he's busy playing Fortnite. But anyways, guys, on to the next one. Enjoy it.
Bye.
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 Alright, go away.
Get out.
Man, that wall looks dope.
I know, right? I mean, this is actually almost done by me. That's
Basically.
I'm glad I came out with that brilliant idea.
You did not.
All that was my idea.
Nah.
You wish.
It's the artistic side of the family, so that definitely
It came from us too.
Families, I'm the master plan in this household.
But not that.
Not in arts and crafts.
We're not talking about that. We're talking about the master plan in this household. So all that was my idea.
Don't believe in people.
Right here. Yours truly. Bye.
Bye.